Okay, today's lesson we're talking about set notation. So set notation is just like code formula that we use to in maths when we're using relationships or formulas and things. So a set is over here, as you can see, is when you have a set of numbers, or you could have pronumerals, letters. So say this is the set of H and it has 1, 2, 4 and 8 in it. An element, so that's the set. An element is an object within the set, so that's an element here. So this set of H has 4 elements, if you look there. So we have that. Now here we can see we can use this symbol here for the element. So X is an element of A, so that means if you had a set A, X would be one of the elements. If we see the X with the E with the dash through it, it is X is not an element of the A. Now, if we see this symbol here, that means subset. So A is a subset of B. So if we look over here, the set of B has 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now you can see that A has 2 and 4. So because 2 and 4 are part of B, so there, A is a subset of B. Now, if you see this A intersection here, so we've got the upside down U, that means intersection. So say for this example here where we're asked, they tell you the set of A and they tell you the set of B. Now they said find the intersection of A and B. So that's any number that is in both of them. So we can see 3 is in both, 5 is in both, and that's it. So they're the only two that double over or intersect. Okay, so if we have this symbol A intersects with B equals a 0 with a line through it, that means no elements are in common, so that means it's disjoint. So if we were drawing, remember if you draw probability diagrams or something, you'd have A and B, they're separated, there's no in common. Where up here, you could, if you remember back, you would have had there's the 3 and the 5 are in common there. Okay, so if we have a set is the 0 with the line in it, that's an empty set there. Now A in union with B means that all the elements, we want all the elements either in A or B. So if I was to find in this example A union with B, you write all the elements, but you don't need to write it twice, you just write them out once. So you can see we've got every element there. So when this A backslash B, that means that you want the set of A, all the elements in A, but not the ones in B. So if you look here, the elements in A that are not in B, that would equal 2. Okay, when we say find the elements in B, excluding or not including the ones in A, that would be 3 and 5. Okay, because the 1 is in A. Okay.